A wide range of materials from metals to glass to paper and card are used to package products. All packaging will need some printing on it. There are 3 ways to print onto packaging. Lithography works on the principle that water and oil don't mix. Flexography is a form of relief printing, and screen printing uses ink or paint with stencils. How do packaging boxes get to be square or circular? The outline of packaging is cut, creased or perforated using a die cutting system. If board is folded, it adds stress to the board and it can crack, crease or tear wrongly. To reduce the stress, designers create dies. A knife is attached to a piece of wood in a preset position to ensure consistency and precision.
Printing registration is a process that allows the manufacturer to make sure that their graphics cover all of the package and lines up correctly with the die cutter. Creasing is squashing the card so that it can be easily bended, which is ideal when making packaging. Blister packs are inexpensive, durable, transparent and tamper-proof ways to store items, such as tablets and toothbrushes. Clear plastic blisters are used with either a cardboard backboard or inlay to allow the consumer to examine the product. The blister cavity is vacuum formed to fit the product.
Skin packaging involves sealing a product between a layer of heated plastic and a layer of adhesive coated. Examples of this are raw meats and saw blades. Security packaging packages the product securely by using one of the following methods: security seals, clamshell packaging, induction sealing or holographic stickers. What if the product is very fragile? Designers need to insulate the packaging. Polystyrene sheets, corrugated card, bubble wrap and polystyrene foam all provide good insulation. It also keeps the temperature constant if food or plant products are being transported.
Packaging has an environmental impact, but the impact can be limited by manufacturers and consumers being socially responsible. Packaging uses up materials that are renewable and non-renewable. If it's plastic, it's made using crude oil, which will eventually run out. It's not just the materials, but the processes used to make them, as they all use energy. Most of the energy in the UK comes from fossil fuels, which cause air pollution, emit carbon dioxide, and contribute to global warming. Packaging also creates waste that needs to be recycled when removed from the product and not be sent to landfill, as non-biodegradable rubbish such as plastic will still be there in centuries to come.
Many consumers and manufacturers are becoming more socially responsible by minimizing the environmental impact of packaging by using the reduce, reuse and recycle principle. Reducing the amount of packaging is good by avoiding unnecessary packaging while still protecting and preserving. Look at Kenco Coffee and their new refill packs that are designed to reuse their glass jars. Or McDonald's going from polystyrene foam containers for their burgers to cardboard or sheets of paper instead. Do you refill printer cartridges or do you buy new each time? By refilling the cartridges, you're reusing the casing and minimizing the resources needed to produce new ones. However, reusing can also have an environmental impact, as the cartridges need transporting and cleaning before they're reused. We recycle packaging using the different coloured bins at home provided by the local council. The recycled packaging is used to make a different product. For example, plastic cups and bottles are made into road cones or even fleeces for jackets.
Manufacturers can use sustainable materials. For example, cornstarch can be used instead of polystyrene, as it's made from sweet corn and is biodegradable. Using recycled materials saves resources too. Recycled paper means that more trees won't be cut down to make new paper. But some plastics are more expensive to recycle than they are to make from new. All these issues need considering when choosing packaging materials. Manufacturers must label their products carefully, and it's their responsibility to make sure that the information is accurate. They give information about product safety and whether the designs are protected. Some products are hazardous to people and the environment, and they must carry hazard symbols on their labels. For example, harmful, flammable, explosive, irritant, and environmental hazard. Products all need to show if they have met standards for safety or quality of design. The British Standards Institute, BSI, awards kite marks, and a CE mark means the product meets EU standards for safety. Many consumers are willing to pay more for approved products.
Designers need to protect their designs from being copied. The copyright symbol, a letter C in a circle, means that designs are protected under copyright law, and this stops people from copying written, drawn, and recorded work. Symbols, logos, words, or slogans followed by the trademark symbol, the letters T and M together, or the registered trademark symbol, a letter R in a circle, are trademarks. These are used to represent companies and can't be copied by other companies. The last thing that designers need to consider is the disposal of their packaging. They must inform consumers how to dispose of the product or packaging. The most common symbols are recyclable aluminium, cardboard, and plastics.